Classic rock bass lines. Today we're talking about Ramble On by Led Zeppelin, so stick around. Alright, so there you have it. Short but sweet. I cut each section short, a couple times, but that is the structure of it. It just plays them like 4 times each, and then it does first verse a few more than 4 times, and then it comes into that little chorus, then the bridge, which it only does that twice anyway, and then it goes back to the verse and then the chorus. So if you're new here, I'm Donald with the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwannaplaybass.com. Jump over there, subscribe, become a member for free, and then when you're serious about your bass playing, go ahead and sign up and get well on your way to reaching your bass playing goals. Everything you need to know there. And this is I Want to Play Bass, your YouTube channel, everything bass. So stick around, subscribe here, hit that bell notification, get in the loop, and don't miss a beat. But this is Ramble On, the tune by Led Zeppelin, a great classic rock bass line, one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites. I have so many favorites. They're all my favorite. Just playing bass is my favorite. So, I've never been much of a guitar player. Never had much of a desire to play guitar. Just always played bass. So a lot of people convert from playing guitar to bass. They play bass like guitars, but that's all right. They get the job done. You can get the job done. It's all subjective to you. So this is Ramble On, as I'm doing right now, rambling on. So what key are we in? We're in the key of E. Good guess. Start off the very beginning. You're at the octave E, the 7th fret E on the A string, to the B, and then we go to the A on the D string. So B and A are on the D string. B is the 9th fret, A is the 7th fret on the D string. Okay. Now we go to the G string. We play F sharp, back to E. F sharp to E, then we do 7th fret E again, then we go all the way up to the G sharp, and then we walk down G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, and then we do this little lick here, and that's just going to be A, B, C sharp, pull off the E to the C sharp. Notice John Paul Jones, didn't get much respect from Robert Plant and Jimmy Page, but I know John Bonham had all respect for them because that rhythm section is just phenomenal. And I don't know why John Paul Jones got kind of kicked to the curb like he did. His bass lines are awesome, just amazing, but he had an amazing ability on his plucking hand. His fingers here, just some like Immigrant Song, he's just working. I mean, he's getting it done. He's got just amazing skill there, and he's got amazing plucking hand skills also. Everything's his phrasing and everything is beautiful, but his plucking hand is just to die for. He is just precise. He's a phenomenal bassist, but he definitely, his plucking fingers got some, you might have to work on that a little bit in some of his places, and he does it in this chorus. He does some serious fast stuff that's precise that you'll have to work on and practice a little bit. But that's the very intro. That's the bread and butter of the ramble on that bass line. That bass line. But it's just, you got to be clean about it. So almost at some points just use one finger to keep it the consistency there. Sure, that's the verse 2. And then it goes into a chorus. E, F sharp to G sharp, and then G sharp to A, and then C sharp to E. And then he does a little pull off there, E, not a pull off, just a walk down, somewhat of a walk down, E, C sharp to B, and then does it again. So then the second go around, he goes E, F sharp, G sharp to A, slides to the B, E, C sharp, E, and then does the same thing, E, C sharp to B, okay? I think it only does it 2 times there though. That chorus, just one time, and then the second time, and then it goes into a real funky groove. And I guess this is a chorus. This is more of a, I don't know, just a break. Now you got to get it tight with your drummer. Like I say, John Bonham is just phenomenal, and that whole bass line, just that whole rhythm section is just amazing. So this is going to be E, octave E. Now with the drums, it gives it a little punchy. Gotta make it real punchy right there. So that's E, E, F sharp, G. Then we do that little like. See, he works it right there, and he changes that up, just the rhythm of it. But I didn't break all of them down. If you want me to break them all down, leave me a comment down below. I'll break each lick down for you. But just to get us through the like I said, the bread and butter of this is just do that. Okay, it's just going to be A, E, and D. Okay, A on the D string and E and D on the G string. I think I said that right. A on the D string and E and D on the G string. Right? Just watch your rhythm. Okay, and then it goes right back in, and then just getting the groove, you know, being able to back off, coming off that rocking, you know, that just that funky feel there. Back down to the intro is kind of tough. Now we go into a D part, or a bridge. This is a bridge. And he just does it 2 times. That's it. They do that bridge real short there too. It's kind of, like I say, the groove changes throughout this song, so that's what's tough about it. So you come out of the that's all it is. Okay, so that's just E, A on the D string. And you gotta do that. You gotta do that because you know, it's just got that feel to it. It's just real laid back feel. You know, he's kind of laying back in the pocket, not on top of the beat. And that's just A, octave, A. Okay, A, hammer on from the G to the A. The 7th fret A on the D string, then the open A string, and then from the G to the A, you do that little hammer on. Okay, so just get that. And then there you got the open A. And here, so you got the 7th fret A, open A, then slide from the G to the A, open A to the A, and then to the D on the A string, to the E on the A string, 7th fret, then open A, and then we do a G, A, D. Get this rhythm right because it's punchy, it's snappy, it's cool. So it's G, A, D, G, A, D, and then E, D, E, B, and then right there it just does the same part, E, the A part, and then so he does the real snappy, get the D, A, E to B, and then we repeat that again. We just change the second half of that. So we've got the A, G, A, and then the D, E, and then the A. Just hang on A for a second, and then you slide B, E, D, E, and then we go back in the intro. So that's going to help you get the kind of change the groove back into that intro groove. Okay, so you got that? So we're just going. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hope you got some value out of that. Hope you actually can play along with the song now and dial that in. That's a great bass line. And like I say, John Paul Jones is somebody to definitely emulate. He definitely made a name for himself for a reason because his phenomenal bass playing and his ability there is just undeniable. You can tell when it's his bass lines coming up. Clean, beautiful sounding bass lines. So like I say, if you got some value out of that, help me help you. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you on the flip-flop in the next video. So bye for now.